Kids, I am your English teacher. Today I will explain you chapter 2, the four friends. The four friends. Now start. One day a peacock planted a little seed. एक दिन एक पिकॉक ने एक छोटे से सीड को लिटिल सीड को प्लांट किया. पिकॉक ने एक लिटिल सीड को प्लांट किया. तो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु प्लांटेड अ सीड? Who planted a seed? Yes, a peacock. A peacock planted a little seed. Peacock ने seed को plant किया. Along came a rabbit. तभी एक rabbit आ गया. तभी साथ साथ एक rabbit आ गया. She asked. उसने पूछा, Can I help? क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूं? Yes, said the peacock. हाँ, peacock ने कहा. Please water the seed. कृपया please water the seed. कृपया सीड को वाटर दे दो. The rabbit watered the seed. रैबिट ने सीड को वाटर दिया, पानी दिया. Along came a monkey. तभी एक मंकी आ गया. ओके, तो now my second question is who watered the seed? Yes, the rabbit. The rabbit watered the seed. रैबिट ने सीड को वाटर दिया. ओके, तभी एक मंकी आया. ही आस्क्ड. उसने पूछा, कैन आई हेल्प? क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूं? यस, सेड द रैबिट. हाँ, रैबिट बोला. प्लीज फीड द सीड. प्लीज सीड को फीड करो. फीड मीन्स सीड का फीड क्या होता है? सीड का भोजन क्या होता है? सॉइल, मिट्टी, फर्टिलाइजर्स, ओके, खाद, ये सब होता है सीड का फीड. तो उसने सीड को फीड करने के लिए क्या कहा? सो द मंकी फेड द सीड. इसीलिए मंकी ने सीड को फेड किया. नाउ माय थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड द मंकी डू? यस, मंकी फेड द सीड. मंकी ने क्या किया? मंकी ने सीड को फेड कराया. नाउ Along came an elephant and asked. तभी साथ साथ एक एलिफेंट आया and asked और पूछा, Can I help? क्या मैं हेल्प करूं? Yes, said the monkey. हाँ, मंकी ने कहा. Please wash the seed. कृपया सीड की देखभाल करो. So the elephant washed the seed. Now my question is, did the elephant wash the seed? क्या एलिफेंट ने सीड को वॉश किया? यस, एलिफेंट वॉश द सीड. एलिफेंट ने सीड को वॉश किया, सीड की देखभाल की. द लिटिल सीड ग्रू इनटू अ लिटिल प्लांट. छोटा सा वो सीड, बीज, फिर बड़े होकर क्या बन गया? एक लिटिल प्लांट, एक छोटा पौधा. द लिटिल प्लांट ग्रू इनटू अ बिग ट्री. वो छोटा प्लांट बड़े होकर, ग्रू मीन्स बड़े होकर, एक बड़ा ट्री बन गया, एक बिग ट्री बन गया. बिग रेड एप्पल्स ग्रू ऑन द ट्री. बड़े लाल एप्पल्स, बड़े रेड एप्पल्स ग्रू हो गए उस ट्री के ऊपर. इट मीन्स बिग रेड एप्पल्स ग्रू ऑन द ट्री. ट्री पर बहुत सारे रेड एप्पल लग गए. आई कैन नॉट रीच द एप्पल्स. मैं एप्पल तक नहीं पहुंच सकता. कैनॉट नहीं सकता, रीच पहुंच. मैं एप्पल तक नहीं पहुंच सकता. क्राइड द मंकी चिल्लाया. आई कैन हेल्प. मैं मदद कर सकता हूँ. सेड द रैबिट ने कहा. सो ही जम्प्ड एट द बैक ऑफ द मंकी. इसीलिए वो जंप कर मंकी की बैक पर बैठ गया. स्टिल दे कुड नॉट रीच द एप्पल्स. लेकिन तब भी वो लोग एप्पल्स तक नहीं पहुंच सके. एनिमल्स, आई कैन हेल्प. मैं हेल्प करूंगा, कर सकता हूँ. सेड द पिकॉक. पिकॉक ने कहा. ही जम्प्ड ऑन द बैक ऑफ द रैबिट. उसने जंप करके वो रैबिट की बैक पर बैठ गया. स्टिल दे कुड नॉट रीच द एप्पल्स. तब भी वो नहीं पहुंच पाए रेड एप्पल्स तक, उन एप्पल्स तक, क्योंकि उन्हें खाना चाहते थे. आई कैन हेल्प. मैं हेल्प करूंगा. सेड द एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट ने कहा. सो द मंकी ऑन. So the elephant, the rabbit on the monkey and the peacock on the rabbit. It means, so the monkey on the elephant. मंकी एलिफेंट के ऊपर, द रैबिट ऑन द मंकी, रैबिट मंकी के ऊपर, एंड द पिकॉक ऑन द रैबिट, और पिकॉक रैबिट के ऊपर. नाउ आई कैन रीच देम, अब हम उस तक पहुंच सकते हैं. सेड द पिकॉक, मोर बोला, पिकॉक बोला. द फोर फ्रेंड्स हैड वर्कड टुगेदर, चारों फ्रेंड्स ने मिलकर एक साथ काम किया. नाउ दे हैड यमी एप्पल्स टू ईट, अब उनके पास खाने के लिए टेस्टी, स्वादिष्ट, यमी एप्पल्स थे. आई होप all of you understood the chapter 2. Let's come to the book exercise of chapter 2. And the first sentence is, the dash friends had worked together. कितने friends एक साथ work करते थे? The option is your help box. Watered, peacock, grew, washed, apples, 4. Yes, 4 friends, 4. The 4 friends had worked together. The second fill-up is, the little seed dashed into a little plant. The option is watered, peacock, grew, washed, apples. What's the correct answer? Yes, grew. The little seed grew into a little plant. Third fill-up is, one day a dash planted a little seed. One day, एक दिन किसने plant किया little seed? Watered. The option is watered, peacock, grew, washed, or apples. Yes, peacock. One day little seed को plant किया था एक peacock ने. The correct answer is peacock. One day a peacock planted a little seed. Fourth fill-up is, the elephant dashed the seed. The elephant dashed the seed, and the option is watered, grew, washed, apples. Yes, washed. The elephant washed the seed. किसने वॉश किया था, किसने वॉश्ड किया था, देखभाल की थी सीड की? एलिफेंट ने. The elephant washed the seed. Fourth sentence is, the elephant washed the seed. The fifth fill-up is, the rabbit dashed the seed, and the option is watered, apples. What's the correct answer? Watered or apples? Yes, watered. The rabbit watered the seed. Rabbit ने seed को water दिया, पानी दिया. Number 6 is, I cannot reach the dash, cried the monkey. I cannot reach the dash, cried the monkey. Monkey चिल्लाया, मैं नहीं पहुंच सकता. किस तक? And the last option is apples. So correct answer is apples. I cannot reach the apples, cried the monkey. And the second exercise, A and N. Use of A and N. You know there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. There are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. I repeat, A, E, I, O, U. The 5 letters is the vowel. All the other 21 letters of the alphabet are called consonants. We use a before a word beginning with a consonant. जो भी word beginning करता है consonant से, उसमें हम use करेंगे A. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel. और हम use करेंगे N जो word beginning करता है vowel से. Okay. And come to the exercise. Use A or N to complete these sentences. Use A or N to complete these sentences. Number 1 sentence is, Ritu saw dash lion in the jungle. Ritu saw dash lion in the jungle. The blank in this sentence is before a word lion. and the lion first letter is a consonant. Lion first letter is consonant. Is a consonant. So we will put a in this blank. So we will put a in the sentence. The complete sentence is Ritu saw a lion in the jungle. And the second sentence is there is dash apple and dash banana in the basket. The blank in this sentence is before a word apple and banana. Apple and banana. And the apple start with a vowel. And apple start with a vowel, which is A. And the banana with start is B. That is consonant. So the sentence is, then we will put an apple and a banana in the basket. Okay. The third sentence is Sumit put dash egg in the fridge. Sumit put dash egg in the fridge. And the egg start with a vowel. Then we will put an. Okay. The complete sentence is Sumit put an egg in the fridge. Number 4 is Rani ate dash orange and dash papaya. So orange start with vowel and papaya start with consonant. So we will put here Rani ate an orange and a papaya. Number 5 is dash ugly duckling was in the pond. Ugly start with U and U is vowel. So we will put here an ugly. A-N-N, an ugly duckling was in the pond. Now let's come to the puzzle. You have to fill the missing letters in the puzzle by filling the name of fruits given here, like banana, apple, lychee, papaya and mango. And come to the puzzle. And let's start the puzzle. This is banana. Banana start with B. So complete puzzle is B A N A N A banana. And you have to write the one blank is the first space you given banana. B A N A N A banana. And the second fruit is number 2. And the second fruit is apple. Apple. Okay. And apple start with A. So you have to write A double P L E apple. A double P L E apple. Okay. And you have to write apple is second space. Okay. Then third is number 3 is lychee and number 3 fruit is lychee. So you have to write L-I-T-C-H-I lychee and you have to write third blank is lychee. L-I-T-C-H-I lychee. Okay. And the fourth fruit is papaya. Fourth fruit is papaya. And number 4 is start here. P-A-P-A-Y-A papaya. You have to write number 4 space is papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A papaya. And the fifth fruit is mango. Mango. M-A-N-G-O mango. And you have to write fifth space is mango. M-A-N-G-O mango. Let's come to our next page number 14. Page number 14. Okay. And come to the exercise. Complete. Let's come to the spelling exercise. In this you have to complete the spelling of the words. For example, don't dash in the class. Don't dash in the class. And the complete word is talk. Don't talk in the class. So you have to write L. And the complete word is talk. Don't talk in the class. L. You have to write L. Number 2 is don't dash with fire. Don't dash with fire. So complete word is play. You have to write here L. Play. Play. Don't play with fire. Fire के साथ मत खेलो. Number 3 is don't dash the door. Door को क्या नहीं करो? Open. You have to write here O. Okay. Don't open the door. You have to write O. And complete word is open. And come to the fourth. Don't dash your nails. अपने nails को क्या मत करो? Yes, bite. And the complete word is bite. You have to write here I. Don't bite your nails. अपने nails को bite मत करो. Number 5 is don't tease animal. Don't tease animal. So you have to write to complete the sentence A. Okay, you have to write A. So complete word is Tease. Tease. Don't tease animals. And the next exercise, write 5 sentences on the given fruit. What's the fruit? What's the name of the fruit? Apple. This is apple. And the first sentence is, you have to write, this is an apple. This is an apple. यह एक apple है. This is an apple. APPLE, apple. Number 2. And the next sentence, number 2, its color is red. इसका color क्या है? Red. Its color is red. You will write here, its color is red. And the third sentence is, its taste is sweet. You will write here, its taste is sweet. TASTE, taste is sweet. SWEET, sweet. Its taste is sweet. इसका taste मीठा है. And the fourth sentence is, it is a healthy food. यह एक healthy food है जो आपको healthy करता है. It is a healthy food. HEALTHY, healthy. FOOD, food. Number 5th sentence, you have to write, I like it very much. I like it very much. I like it very much. And I hope you got it, all the book exercise. Good morning, students. I am your English teacher. Today I will teach you chapter 2, The Four Friends. Now let's start. I will write dictation of chapter 2. Our first word is seed. 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 Next is please. 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 Number 3 is still. Number 3 dictation word is still. 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 Number 4. Number 4 dictation is back. 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 Number meaning of chapter 2. Word meaning. Word meaning. Word meaning. Number one word is seed. Number one word is seed. F-E-E-D. Seed. F-E-E-D. Seed. Seed means भोजन कराना. Seed means भोजन कराना. भोजन भोजन कराना. कराना भोजन कराना. F-E-E-D feed. Feed means भोजन कराना. Number 2, along. Number 2 is along. A-L-O-N-G. N-G. Along. A-L-O-N-G. Along. Along means साथ साथ. साथ साथ. Along means साथ साथ. A-L-O-N-G. Along. Along means साथ साथ. साथ 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 साथ. Number 3. Number 3 word is watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch means देखना. 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 W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch means देखना. 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 Number 4. Number 4 is grew. G-R-E-W. Grew. Grew means बढ़ना. 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 And the last is yummy. Last word is yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y. Yummy. Yummy means स्वादिष्ट. स्वादिष्ट. Y-U-M-M-Y. Yummy. Yummy means स्वादिष्ट. स्वादिष्ट. Now write down your notebook. Now we will start make sentence of chapter 3. The first word is seed. The first word is seed. And the sentence is D-P-H-E. D word is along. And the sentence is I eat. I eat apples. I eat apples along with salt. Along with salt. Second word along, and the sentence is I eat apples along with salt. मैं एप्पल खा रहा हूँ सॉल्ट के साथ. And the third word is watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. And the sentence is they, T-H-E-Y, they watch, W-A-T-C-H, they watch television, T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. They watch television at night. At night. At night. And the third word is watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. And the sentence is they watch television. T-E-L-E, tele, V-I-S-I-O-N, vision. Television at night. वे नाइट में टेलीविजन देखते हैं. And the fourth word is yummy. And the fourth word is yummy. And sentence is the, T-H-E, the cake, C-A-K-E, cake. The cake was very yummy. The cake was very yummy. केक बहुत यमी था, बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. यमी था, was means था. Fourth word is yummy, and the sentence is the cake was very yummy. The cake was very yummy. I will start question answer of chapter 2. Question answer of chapter 2. First question is, who planted the seed? Question number 1 is, who planted the seed? Seed किसने प्लांट किया? Seed किसने प्लांट किया? किसने लगाया? The answer is a peacock. A peacock planted पिकॉक ने सीड प्लांट किया, मीन्स पिकॉक ने बीज को लगाया। I will revise question 1 again. Question 1, who planted the seed? Answer, a peacock planted the seed. Question number 2 is, who means corn. Who means corn. Who watered. watered, watered. Who किसने watered पानी दिया, the seed. Who watered the seed. Who watered the seed. Who watered the seed. किसने seed को पानी दिया. Who means corn. Answer 2, the rabbit. The rabbit. RABBIT. The rabbit. The rabbit. Rabbit ने watered. 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 The rabbit watered the seed. Question number 2 is, who watered the seed? किसने seed को water दिया? The rabbit. Answer is the rabbit. Rabbit ने, खरगोश ने seed को water दिया. Seed means बीज. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, what did the monkey do? Question is, what did the monkey do? Monkey ने क्या किया? What did the monkey do? Monkey ने क्या किया? What means क्या? Question word. What? Answer 3. The monkey. The monkey. The monkey. The monkey fed. The monkey fed the seed. Question number 3 is, I will repeat again. Question number 3 is, what did the monkey do? What did the monkey do? Monkey ने क्या किया? Answer, the monkey fed the seed. Monkey ने seed को भोजन कराया. भोजन कराया means, fed कराया means water दिया. Seed को water दिया. Question number 4. Question number 4. Did the elephant wash the seed? वॉच द सीड. एलिफेंट ने सीड को देखा था, देखभाल की थी. इट मीन्स एलिफेंट ने सीड की देखभाल की थी. डिड द एलिफेंट वॉच द सीड? एंड द आंसर इज answer number 4. And the answer is yes. Yes, comma, yes, the elephant, yes, the elephant watched the seed. I will repeat again. Question number 4. Did the elephant watch the seed? क्या एलिफेंट ने सीड की देखभाल की? Yes. Answer 4 is yes. हाँ, the elephant watched the seed. हाँ, एलिफेंट ने सीड की को वॉच किया या उसकी देखभाल की. Got it, kids?